everyone, this is my beautiful model Jess. We're going to be demonstrating a power shine service with Colorance and Pure Pigments. Let's have a look. A good color tip would be to work with what you already see in the hair. With Jess's hair, I really like what I see. I love the dimension, I love the highs and lows. So we're just going to build on that and create more reflect. Jess's hair is naturally slightly lighter around the hairline, which I would like to keep that way. So here we have the finished result. I absolutely love the yellow and orange Pure Pigments, the reflect in the Colorance. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it.